and welcome to the Gemini Jets Colorado 1 Southwest Boeing 737-700 unboxing. In this unboxing, there will just be this one aircraft, the 737-700, in this livery. So getting to the unboxing, we have Gemini Jets, made for collectors by collectors, TM, the model, Boeing 737-700 TM in Southwest. Now here we have Gemini Jets 1 to 400 scale die-cast model, item number GW. Oh, that's not W. That's a GJSWA 1412. I don't know why that's there, but 79106 Boeing 737-700 TM, and then the front of the aircraft, which is cut off, unfortunately. Gemini Jets adult collectible model. Warning: contains small parts, unsuitable for children under 14 years of age. And Gemini Jets 1 to 400 scale diecast model, item number. Already did that. I can't read that again. The plane and Boeing 737-700 TM. Gemini Jets 1 to 400 scale die-cast model, highly collectible, superior quality, realistic metal landing gear, detailed printed graphics, as real as gets features. Now on the back we have just some lettering that hopefully you could read. But, so, there is the model, I guess. Here is the aircraft. So now we will go into further detail of this airplane. And to start off the model, we have the nose cone, the cockpit windows. I can't tell if there's any windshield wipers. Colorado 1. I can't read those, but it's probably 737 or something like that. We have the nose gear, and this is in the old Gemini Jets mold. I don't know why they made it in the old mold, but for some reason they did. And the reason I got this model, just gonna say this, is because I saw this at Buffalo. The door, or the front door, we have the C for Chicago, I think. The windows, we move back to the engine, and moving back more, we will see more windows, the overwing exit, and a kind of pointer pointing down or where you should go. Right here, there is kind of the wing. You go up. My favorite thing about this plane is definitely those blue kind of fuel holders. Then the red beacon light. We have the antenna up here, the Wi-Fi dome, and moving here we just have the wingtip. These are very kind of larger than I think they should be. And moving back, we will see the windows, the glass door, the American flag. Where's the registration? Okay, the registration blends in, but it is November 230 Whiskey November, I think. Wow, that really, you can just see it barely right there. This plane gets stuck, like going back and forth. But here we have the tail, last door, we have the horizontal stabilizers and the elevator, and then the vertical stabilizer and the rudder. And then moving back, we have the APU exhaust. And just on the other side of the aircraft, if I zoom out, you will see it is just the same, though it seems like the aircraft number will show up, or identification, I guess. It's like the aircraft's ID. It will show up better on this side for some reason, so none of these gear do roll. It's like an older Gemini Jets model, so, or just mold. And that's what the back view looks like. I already did the front view, so the bottom view kind of looks like that, and it can really see how nice of a model it is just from the bottom. There is just an antenna. I didn't go over the bottom one. Of course, gear don't roll, though when this gear, it seems as though it wasn't like glued, because they probably aren't supposed to glue the gear, but it definitely seems like it would fall off. And so just gonna do the top view, and then that should be the update. This is what the top view looks like. So thank you for watching the Gemini Jets Southwest Boeing 737-700 in the Colorado 1 livery unboxing, and see you in the next unboxing. This should be the third unboxing of 6 new models that I got. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.